Firstly, let's talk about what ChatGPT can do to make money online. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that can generate human-like responses to any given prompt. It can help businesses automate their customer support by answering frequently asked questions, processing orders, and providing personalized recommendations to users. Additionally, ChatGPT can also be used for content creation, such as generating blog posts, social media captions, and even video scripts. I am using this script made by ChatGPT. By utilizing ChatGPT, businesses can save time and resources while still providing efficient and effective customer service. Moving on to the benefits of having an up-to-date ChatGPT web extension, it allows for a smoother user experience and improved functionality. The ChatGPT for Google browser extension demo can be accessed through the Google Chrome Web Store, and it provides users with quick access to ChatGPT's AI-powered chatbot. The extension can help users in various ways, such as translating text in real time, providing color information, and even enhancing the user's overall browsing experience. Additionally, having an up-to-date web extension ensures that users can take advantage of the latest features and improvements that ChatGPT has to offer. I asked normal ChatGPT about this. What happened in Turkey in 2023? The response was, "I'm sorry, but as an AI language model, I don't have the ability to predict future events, nor do I have access to any information beyond my knowledge cutoff date of September 2021. It is important to rely on credible news sources for the most up-to-date information on events happening around the world." After I installed the extension, the response was, "In February 2023, Turkey experienced a devastating earthquake that also affected Syria. The death toll from the earthquakes surpassed 50,000 people, with more than 44,000 deaths reported in Turkey alone. As of February 27, 2023, scientists were studying the earthquakes to gain new insights into the seismic zone." Wow, that's nice, right? So lastly, let's discuss how to install the ChatGPT web extension. To install the ChatGPT for Google browser extension, click the link in the description. From there, click on the Add to Chrome button and follow the prompts to install the extension. Once installed, users can access the ChatGPT chatbot by clicking on the extension icon in their browser's toolbar. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel to stay up to date with the latest content. Subscribing not only shows support for the channel but also ensures that you won't miss out on any future helpful videos. Thank you for watching and subscribing.